Parts required: Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, LED, momentary tactile 4-pin. Push button, 10K ohm resistor, 220 ohm resistor. In this sketch, you assign a pin for the push button and set it as input, and a pin for the LED and set it as output. The code tells the Arduino to turn the LED on as long as the button is being pressed, completing the circuit, and to keep the LED off when the button is not being pressed. When the button is released, the circuit breaks and the LED will turn off again.
Hindi, okay lang. Nasa pala si guys? Ito! Masama yun, no?
Like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the